Good evening, everybody. So I hope you're all good. Today I'm going to present what I've been working on. Basically, I'm trying to work on the AI agent, which will facilitate user browsing for the Banda website. So for now, I'm going to go through on how it does. So basically, there are some data here. So this AI agent is going to grab data that have been uploaded. So whether it's a picture, a document, or a text. So basically here is the initial sample or data we are feeding to our AI agent. So basically we are saying how you can make an order, how you can create an account, and something based on the authentication, pricing trends, and loan management. So of that, apart from that, I've tried to approach some document highlighting on how everything really works. So even the pictures. So then this AI agent is going to go through this data and try to analyze the question that has been raised and try to provide an answer. So here in the terminal, I'm going to give this AI agent a simple question like, what is the system at all? So when you try to run this one, it's going to go through to the Word documents and try to summarize what found there. And now give me the output information that I need. Basically, this is a langchain AI agent. So how it works, it will try to treat all the data as one and try to get the, the one which has the top priority and try to combine them so that it can give us the output that we need. So as you can see here, you can see it is start thinking like it seems like a food bundle. Try to think something related to what the user said, and actually is focusing on this one based on what you find any word food bundle. It will try to correct all the informations related to food bundle and try to organize some data related to that one. So as you can see, the sample output, basically there is no limitation for the output, but in the future we might put some context like if the user give you the question, you might provide the answer within 50 words or something. But for now we are just in testing. So it has provided a lot of the output, basically the definition, how to order, so everything about the food band. So again, you can even ask whatever you want. But for now, I don't want to go deep. This is just a sample, as you can see now. But what if you give it a simple question, like let's say, how can a user press another order? Yeah, just as simple as this one. So the same process till we try to analyze everything and then give it everything we need. So, but for now, it gives us all the data instead of returning what we just want. So, which means in the future we need to check whether this one is able to extract only the data that we are asking. Like if we say loan management, it has to give us the output for run, not in the entire document that you asked. So I hope that's it. So I'm going to keep working on this one so that we can find everything that we need. Because if you can see here, based on our question, our AI before responding to anything, it split the prompt question into different words like how can user and try to find the most relevant and try to find something. So as you can see, it said like it is going to search something about pressing in order. So you see some action to start searching for a document, but there is a question with this document. This document mostly they are generated in a Canva, which means the AI is not able to extract some text metadata. So which means we need to upload a text document or PDF that are not generated for the Canva. So they should have a TXT and export as a PDF. So I hope that's it. So you are free to provide any feedback or suggestion. So because here our AI keeps running, as you can see, it takes one question, provide more questions. Like the first one is just to search, and here it did. And after that one, it takes another question. What the process of pressing in order? This is the what we need to get answer from. And here it starts thinking again, get some observations. Then at the end, it will try to extract something that we just need. So I don't know if you can see across the you can see here we have something. Let me try to zoom a little bit. So here we have something like finished chain. So this is the summary of the result we are expecting to get. I think it's not accurate at all, but it is somehow, because it says the final answer is the process of pressing an order on a bundle involves creating an account, so which means you have to be registered, verifying your identity. So this is mean you have to verify identity using your OTP. So you will also to browse for available products. You have press. Also, you have to add item to the cart. The same pattern. You have to choose payment method. If you are applying a voucher, you can do that. But in summary, this output is somewhat correct because it directs user to exactly what he just need. So let's try another one. Like this one, let's say her or no, I don't mean this one. How can I use or wallet on the run? services like this one. So I can go, I don't want this one. Or wait. How should I skip this one? So there's something here. It will try to get everything that we have and try to split what the question that we have provided. This is the question: how can I use wallet and run services? And it find the most two which seems critical, like wallet and run services. And it goes for the document that you've shared and try to check if there is anywhere we have a loan and wallet context. If you find it, it will keep that record and go through to the other document until all are done. As you can see, it have done the first part. So as you can see, for the first time, it asked for himself or itself. Like to find information about using wallet and wallet services, I should search for relevant documents that provide guidance on these topics. So by the first time, it is start looking for anywhere we have two terms, wallet and run services. And once it's done, it asks the question like how can I use wallet and run services? And the thing in this way, like it is the something like the one we have. It's just keep thinking and it does more than once based on the AI because most of this AI require you to have a GPU on your PC. But if you have a CPU like mine, it goes slowly and slower. But don't worry, it gives you the response that you're supposed to get. And then, but at the end, I think it is still thinking. It is still thinking. Let's see. So for me, I'm going to go through how this works and what the tool that we have been using before, getting the real response. So basically, this AI agent is been developed using Llama models. So basically, Llama model was developed by Meta from Facebook as a pre-trained model for developers, which help you to breed the AI agent, and you can use it to breed your own based on trained data. You can give it the concept, instructions, and even more. So I think that's it. I don't want to go deeper in technical part because it may require more time than ever. So I think it is taking too much time. Could stop right here. So I hope you get the idea.